Hey guys, my next two samples arrived from India. Um, this is the last two that I'm getting from India, and I might get a couple more from China. That remains to be seen. This is a SONYA fan. This is the first one where what I received was drastically different than what was pictured. If you go to Amazon India and you look up SONYA 24-inch fan or SONYA 600mm fan, you'll see the one that I was expecting, which has a more round motor and blades with the crease, kind of like a Dayton Lasco blades or Mosh Caribbean Breeze blades, and that's what I wanted. And they sent me this. Um, so I'm a little disappointed. We'll see how it performs. Good thing is that the motor appears to be cast and the blades are extremely light, so I'm wondering if they're aluminum. I haven't checked with a magnet, but it's got the lightest blades out of everyone I've tested so far, and the motor, even though it is particularly small, is pretty heavy. Canopies are still really cheap, so there's a good chance I'm not going to keep this one. So if anybody's interested in buying it, let me know. So here, let's check it out. This is with the stock capacitor. And no voltage converter. So this is just a 220 volt fan being given 120 volts. Let's check the voltage. 122 volts. So silent. Very low current draw. No real discernible airflow from this angle. That 2-1. Okay. I'm sure the bearings are on the stiff side. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's see where it starts with the decade box. Starts around 3 and looks like it's already going to go pretty fast. Around 3. Once the bearings free up. Let's just see if it's capable of going over. Nope, not capable of going over, which doesn't surprise me. I don't think any fan can with the wrong voltage. Let's see if I take it down to 2. Will it keep going or will it stall? That's really more of a bearing thing. Before I do any real test on these, I really should run them overnight, but I like to do them fresh out of the box and just show you guys. So whichever one of these I hang next, I will definitely run it overnight. Let's get the voltage converter out. Okay, so it won't, yeah, we're still stalling a little bit on 3 too, okay. So now let's run it on, let's see, it was 122, so that's going to be 244, which is higher than it's expecting, so this is greater than what it wants. They're all around 0.7. Wow, that airflow is insane. It's quite an airflow for being such a small fan. This might be the best performer I've tested yet. It's not super loud, and the airflow is really insane. Got power factor of 1. That's pretty impressive. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It definitely tried to move on 4. Six. 7. 8. 9. 10. 12. 13. 14. 15. Still under. 20, still under, so you could use it as an A1220 if you really wanted. Still under all the way up to 40. And that's full power. Okay. I'm not going to change any capacitor values in this right now. But even though it's not the one that I ordered, the performance on this one's pretty good. I will, at some point, let this one run overnight before I do any further testing on it, because those bearings are super stiff. We can try solid state, I guess. I don't think I've ever tried it with the voltage converter. Okay, it's noisy. Yeah, not much else I can do. Cute little fan. Good performer. I'm just disappointed it wasn't what I ordered. Okay, let's do the other sample.